Oh iya, dah nggak sudah Dharamsala dulu. Culture. Jual. Ya, let's kill it. Ini sama. Ini lingkor cih, bagus tu. Lingkor dua. Lingkor liya. Ya, shu, ni maza. Piul ni maza. Lingkor liya. Lingkor lah cih, dah. Lingkor liya tu simpan.
Santi, we live there.
Lingkor liya tu orang. Lingkor liya tu. Lingkor liya. Terus nyam cium bah. Ni dia ciri. Lingkor lah ta. Lingkor jauh sih bekai. Daun abu keto sang. Sudin daun kipeljor. Riwang ni keser. Dikki sangat lagi tu. Orang sudah lingkor liya. Lingkor liya tu simpan. Oh iya, dah cukup lah. Cece ni malu yang bu. Tahu nu, apa sih cakap cimbe? Kotuk. Kotuk sih, orang tu so. Hewan kotuk. Sure. Sure. Dicu, surim denso. Digi. Go. Digi. Bebe gene, 주소 소세기, 소가. Bebe 주소 소세기 소가를 샤. 주소 간데 소. 다니야. Better listen. Tibetan Parliament 간데 소.
But we do not prefer to call ourselves a government since, legally there can be only one government in a country. So we are already in India, and India has its own Indian government, right? So we call ourselves Central Tibetan Administration, but more or less we work and function as a government in the ways we look after the welfare of people in exile, the education of our youngsters, and the rehabilitation work, and everything that a government does, CTA also does for its own people in diaspora. So, what do you know about Pesho? How is it? Culture? 왜? 이 가르치는 다리 남달하게 내일 TV 것이랑 저 가르치가 TV에서 내공다 했으면서 리고도 가르치고 그랬었어.
Affairs with different countries,
Yeah.
dealing with any issues that the Tibetans are having
Right.
in any countries or any situation.
Right.
Basically helping out Tibetans that actually come exiled from Tibet to India, probably that as well, and like probably helping out the TCB school.
Yes.
Is it a double living or is it comes in the same?
It comes under the education
Under the
project,
education project.
but not directly
Yeah.
under the
Is it-
Department of Education.
Sorry, ACT is like the heart or like the brain, like kind of like that message. Because I heard you saying there's two different government.
No.
Like there's one government.
So the government is like, since we are in India,
Yeah.
so India is a country,
It's a
right?
country, yeah.
And India itself is a country, a nation that has its own government.
Yeah.
So we are based in India.
Yeah.
We are a Tibetan organization,
Yeah.
and we look after Tibetan diaspora, exiled Tibetans, rehabilitation, welfare and education by being in India and with the help of Indian government,
Okay.
right?
So it's more or less a government for the Tibetans, but not like for like the Indians and everything.
You're
not even recording.
Information, the international relations이라 내가 찍기 지금 딱 하래. 교육이 챕터 중으로 근데 이 지나라. 어떤 memes 때문에 여러 라디오다, 텔레비전다, 근데 여러 아주 CT TV 채널 주요라. 어디 디스. 어디 Tibet TV라니라. 이거 저기 스튜디오 제 대나가 저기 daily news 그게 돈이라. daily news 찍찍찍 님은 딱 you guys were talking about how you can stay in touch and stay involved in the Tibetan community, CTE, Tibet TV subscribe cheshwa. That is a good way to start. 가진 나 디나랑 아주 님은 딱 봐. 그게 돈이 니츠요래. 인지 돈이 니츠요래. 인지 돈이 니츠 like it's weekly, like compiled news of the week. now conduct how much Hindi, French, German, Japanese.
라이브러리 라이브러리야 그게 라이브러리 Now, let's. 치드 점심시간 많다.
Tibetan Supreme Justice Commission. The three pillars of democracy.
야, 배쇼.
Not because we hate them, but number one is the fact that we are not Chinese. Number two, we need to assert this because Chinese are claiming that we are Chinese. The book is not saying
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ